IRS has a very legitimate place in our government. They serve a very legitimate purpose. I'm not against. And they keep calling me a tax protester in these documents. Man, that makes me angry.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not.
I want, for me, it's even just having a hope, and I just don't have that right now. I don't have a hope that's going to be different in our marriage when you get out, because I'm just hearing things that sound all the same,
I wish they would tell me what law they think I'm breaking, and I would love to fix it with them. I am not a tax...
No third-party calls are allowed.
I am not a tax protester and never have been. Number one, they're not employees by the definition of the term. They're not earning wages by the definition of the term. And I don't have an agreement. So I've had a lot of tax professionals look at this, even paid people. I paid an IRS enrolled agent. I paid a tax attorney, and I forget who else, a regular attorney, a tax attorney, IRS enrolled agent, and CPA. And I sent them everything we're doing and said, am I breaking the law? I got back from each of them a 10 or 12-page letter saying, no, you're doing fine. This is perfectly legal. So I just think, just because the government has decided I'm a tax protester, I don't want that image out there, because neither the IRS nor any person has ever been able to point out one specific law that Ken Hovind or the church ministry has violated. Well, yeah, I'm just looking for, the whole thing seems so unjust. I still don't know what I did wrong, and I am a staff evangelist. Can the church appeal to the court saying, hey, release our staff evangelist regardless of all this other stuff? But I'm just asking you to please show me where's your authority for me, I'm not questioning that he has authority. Like if a policeman from Pensacola is chasing you out of the city limits, he loses his authority. Or if he goes across the other line, he has no jurisdiction. It's a whole jurisdictional question. A very legitimate one.
Well, I'm sorry that I don't get it.
Okay. And I'm not ready to roll over. This is still America. They are the ones breaking the law, not me. So I'm not ready to roll over and give up. Sorry. You can. You can if you want.
Okay.
But I won't. So far, that's my understanding of Scripture. If I'm breaking the law, please show me which law. Do you know which law we've broken right now?
Well, I know they claim we broke a structuring law, which I don't see that. And they claim we're supposed to do withholding. Well, I think you're very naive to even say that.
Well, it's kind of like the mafia saying, look, you're going to pay us $500 or your store's going to burn down. And somebody comes in and says, no, I'm sorry, I'm not paying you $500. And
just keep praying that we can find a good accountant that would work with us and be a representative, a go-between with us and the IRS, I feel like we desperately need that.
I wouldn't panic on that issue. We can talk to Glenn. We definitely want good accounting, etc. But as I've been reading over all the laws and stuff, I want everybody to obey the law when this is over with, That's all. I didn't do anything wrong, but I know I wish they'd tell me if I did, But there's no law whatsoever that we can find. And the IRS couldn't even show us any law we broke. You might want to just email him back and say, we pay lots of taxes. We don't refuse to pay any tax. What tax would they like me to pay?
Right.
We have a responsibility to God.
Okay.
To obey the law.
Okay.
Please show me any specific law we are violating.
I guess my fear all along, I believe that we want to serve God, but are we right in this particular whatever? That I don't know.
What law did I break, I guess they are God's judgment on America, for our wickedness.
Now, Ken Hovind has been playing this tax game for years. Look at this clip.
And so what we're going to cover tonight on income tax was going to be surprising to some, and others will say, yay, go get them, Brother Hovind. Some other Christians might say, oh, you shouldn't talk about that. Well, my philosophy is everybody should obey the law. I have not filed any income tax in 28 years. If there's a law requiring me to file something, I would like to see it. I want very badly to be right with God.
So, for all of you people out there who says, well, I've never seen it either, he's right. 26 USC, section 6012.